Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play three-handed euchre. First, let's set up the game. You'll need a standard deck of cards, but only use the 9s through aces, totaling 24 cards. Each of the 3 players is dealt 5 cards. The remaining 9 cards form the kitty, which is crucial for determining trump. The objective is to win tricks and score points by playing the highest card in each round. Bidding is where the action begins. The player to the dealer's left starts, deciding whether to accept the up card as trump or pass. If accepted, that player becomes the maker and picks up the up card, discarding one. If all pass, players can then name a different trump suit. The player who successfully names trump becomes the maker, aiming to win at least 3 tricks. Once trump is declared, the player to the maker's left leads the first trick. You must follow suit if you have a card of that suit. If you don't, you can play any card, including a trump. Remember, the trump suit is powerful. The highest trump always wins, unless no trumps are played, in which case the highest card of the led suit takes the trick. Scoring is straightforward. If you, as the maker, win 3 or 4 tricks, you earn 1 point. Winning all 5 tricks, known as a loner hand, awards you 2 points. However, if you fail to win at least 3 tricks, your opponents each score 2 points. The game continues until one player reaches a total of 10 points, becoming the winner.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.